Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gentle Media. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix lag in OBS. Yes, each time you are streaming your video keeps dragging, keep lagging. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. All right, so if this is your first time on my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends and your loved ones. If you are a returning subscriber, kindly like and share this video as well. All right, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the tutorial. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Gentle Media. All right, so I'm going to show you the quick and easiest way to fix lag in OBS, whether you are using a 4GB PC or an 8GB PC. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can stream very smoothly with your PC. All right, so this is my OBS right here. If you look towards this top left corner, you see tools right here. These tools, click the tools and you will see this auto configuration wizard right here. All right, so you're going to click it. All right, so this is going to fix this lagging, is going to reset everything about OBS that will match your PC. All right, so once you are here, ensure this first option is ticked, optimized for streaming. All right, recording in secondary. Yes, click this first option and then click next. All right, so for the base canvas, the resolution, you can actually leave it the way it is. Me, I'm currently using a gaming PC, so I don't have issue with this base canvas. All right, but you can reduce yours to 1280 by 720. All right, but you can just leave it the way it is. All right, because OBS is going to reset everything that will match your PC for you. All right, so click next and then the service, click this drop down arrow and then select custom. All right, so now we are going to paste our URL and our stream key. So head over to the platform you want to stream to and then copy the URL and the stream key. So let me just head over to my Facebook right here. Okay, let's go to live, click on this live video. All right, so click on go live, set up live video. So let's wait for it. All right, so remember the first step was your live video all about. Just put in your title and your description. All right, so we are here for the stream key. All right, so here's my stream key. I'm going to copy it, go to the OBS. Yes, this is my OBS, and then paste it in the stream key box. Go to my browser again, click this drop down arrow to see the server URL. All right, so I'll click this drop down arrow and then this is my server URL. I'm going to copy it, go to my OBS. Under this server, I'm going to paste it. All right, so once you have pasted it, click next and then select yes. Select yes. Do you want to proceed with this test? Do you want to proceed with what you're about to do? Select yes. All right, so once you've selected it, you are going to give it a second. Ensure you are connected to the internet. All right, so ensure you are connected to the internet. So the OBS is going to run a scan for you. All right, and it will give you a final result, all right, of the settings that will match the OBS streaming for your PC. All right, so this is my result right here. Me, I won't apply these settings. Why? Because I'm using a gaming PC and I'm using a dedicated graphic card PC, so I don't experience the lag each time I'm streaming. All right, but you will see the result. All you need to do is just to click apply settings. Yes, click this apply setting and then your settings will be applied. Go ahead, start your OBS and then go ahead and stream with it. Okay, so let me just cancel this. All right, so do this and check your live stream if it's still lagging and then let me know. All right, so this is how to fix lag in OBS. This is the easiest and the quickest way to fix it. All right, so if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you have any question, drop it at the comment section. All right, so if you want to join my WhatsApp group, the link is in the description of this video. All right, so which tutorial should I drop next? Let me know at the comment section. See you in my next video. Don't forget, my name is Victor Ejeh. This is Gentle Media.